Hello and welcome to PDK's Product Discovery Series. My name is Cole Nebeker and today we will be talking about the Red 8 with PDK's Red Series Advanced Technology. The Red 8 controller is a highly versatile device, allowing us to control access up to 8 doors from a single centralized location, providing clean, streamlined installs using minimal wall space. It has 8 reader ports, 8 DPS inputs, 8 REX inputs, built-in Ethernet connectivity, a high voltage power input, a battery terminal. Like all other PDK Red products, these devices are OSDP compatible for ultra-high security data encryption and enhanced performance. With plug-and-play connectivity, you can also attach additional modules such as our PoE and WiMAX kits to enhance the capabilities of the Red 8 controller. One of the standout features of the Red 8 controller is its onboard Altronics power supply, a robust power supply with built-in overvoltage protection, a fire alarm disconnect, and a battery terminal. All of this combined with PDK's power monitoring capabilities provides an unparalleled level of power management and safety. The Red 8 will automatically discover in PDK-IO when the Ethernet cables are plugged in. This is done using PDK's self-discovery feature. With the Altronics power supply and the ability to control up to 8 doors from a centralized location, this controller is great for scaling small to enterprise-grade systems. The PDK Red 8 is ready to expand any size of system and results in streamlined installations. So, when you're looking for a cutting-edge device that allows you to install with increased flexibility, look no further than the Red 8 by PDK.